Good morning, Om Shanti Sasrakal students. Today we will learn about Indian place value system. This is the table of the Indian place value system. Here, this is your one place, this is your thousand place, this is your lakh place. One place is basically subdivided into one, tens, and hundred. Similarly, thousand place is divided into thousand and 10,000, and lakh place is divided into lakh and 10 lakh. We can see the first number is your 9638, where 8 is present in one place, 3 is present in 10 place, and 6 is present in 100 place, and 9 is present in 1000 place. Literally I can say this one as 9638. Similarly, the second question is your 82768. This is the number 82768, where your 8 present in 10,000 place. You start writing from 5. 5 is in 1 place, 6 is in 10 place, 7 is in 100 place, 2 is in 1000 place, and 8 is in 10,000 place. So I can say 82,000, because 82 both are in 1000 place. 82 is in 1000 place, so I can write 82,000 in literally, or in word I can write 82,765. Now we learn about the expansion of a number. So here is the number is 9638. So 9 is in 1000 plus, 6 is in 9 is in 1000 plus, 6 is in 100 plus, 3 is in 10 plus, and 8 is in unit plus. So I can write this one as 9 into 1000, because how to write one good trick is, here 9 is there, after 9 3 digits are there. So 9 into 1000, how many digits are there? Into 1, that number of zeros, plus after 6 2 numbers are there, so I can write 6 into 100. Similarly, 3, after 3 1 number is there, so I can write 3 into 10, and 8, after no number is there, so I can write 8 into 1. So this is the expansion of 9638. Similarly, 82765, I can expand this one as 8 into 10,000, because after 8 4 numbers are there. Then 2 into 1000, because after 2 there is 3 numbers are there. Similarly, 7 into 1000, because after 7 2 numbers are there. Similarly, 6 into 10, because after 6 there is 1 number is there, and into 5 into 1, because after 5 no number is there. So this is your expansion of a number, and you learn about how to write in word, okay, and how to write a number in the period. So this is your expansion. Now students, we will learn about the preceding and succeeding digits. What is preceding and what is succeeding? One example, I am telling 198. What is the succeeding digit and what is the preceding digit of 198? So succeeding means the next digit is 199. When it is called succeeding digit, then you have to add plus 1. And when it is called preceding digit, then you have to write minus 1. 198. Okay. If you add plus 1, then it will be 199. Similarly, when you subtract here minus 1, then it will be 197. So succeeding digit is nothing but the next digit to a number, and preceding digit is nothing but the just before digit to the number. So preceding and succeeding. So for the next digit of a number you have to add 1, and for the previous digit of a number you have to minus 1, subtract 1 from the number. Now this is similarly the expansion and writing in words. Okay, 7562498, this is your number. So first write all the numbers inside the table like this. Okay my friends, so put the 8 in the unit place, 0 in the 10 place, 9 in the 100 place, 4 in the 1000 place, 2 in the 10,000 place, 6 in the lakh place, 5 in the 10 lakh place, and 7 in the crore place. Now write, as 7 is in crore period, so I can write 7 crore. I can write 7 crore. Then 56, direct 56 is in lakh period, so I can write 56 lakh. Similarly 24 is in 1000 period, so I can write 24,000, and 908 is in 1 place, so I can write 908, which is in 1 place. So combinedly I can say 7 crore, 56 lakh, 24,000 and 908. Very simple. And this is your expansion my friends. 7 into, in 1 how many zeros? After 7 how many digits are there? After 7 there are 7 digits are there. So 7 into 1, in 1 7 zeros. Similar 5 into, in 1 6 0, plus 6 into 1 5 zeros are there, plus 2 into 10,000, plus 4 into 1,000, plus 9 into 100, then after the 0 into 10, plus 8 into 1. This is your expansion my friends. So now we learn about how to keep comma by using Indian place value system. Okay, separating the digits in a number by using Indian place value system. So now friends, I am writing one number 1 98752. So you know, in Indian place value system, the first place is your 1 place. So after, in 1 place there are 3 houses are there, is 1 period, then this is your 1 house, then your 10 house, then your 100 house. So this is your total 1 period. Then after that 2 period. 2 period means 2 period taking 1 place. Like 1000 10,000, it goes to 1000 house. Then lakh 10 lakh, it is go to lakh house. So after that, like this. If like this another number 237 is there, then after 2 digit here 7 or another comma is there. So I separated this one like this. Okay my friends, so one is 23 crore 71 lakh 98,000 and 752. This is the giving of comma. It is very simple my friends. You try in home, you can write in better. Okay, so another example I am giving, 273,928. Similarly, this is after 3 from the left 1 comma, then after 2 digit you put. Okay, so here no 2 digits, here comma ends. So here 9,27,328. So my friends, another good question is, find the difference between the place value of 27 in this number. Find the difference between place value between 27. Here 1 7 is present here and another 7 is present here. So this 7 is present in 100 place and this 7 is present in your crore place. Okay, 1 7 in crore place, another 7 in 1000 place. It is place value. So the first crore which 7 is present in crore place, its place value is this much. In 7 zeros are there, and this 7 which is present in 100 place, its place value is 700. Then only subtract this one and you are getting the difference between the two 7s present in one in crore place and another in 100 place is this much. Next question is, how many 5-digit numbers are there in all? हाउ मेनी 5 डिजिट नंबर आर देयर इन ऑल, कितना 5 डिजिट टोटल में है। तो 5 डिजिट स्टार्ट कहाँ से होता है बच्चों, आपका द स्मॉलेस्ट 5 digit number. First you write the smallest 5 digit number. What is the smallest 5 digit number? You know, 10,000. Okay, and what is the largest 5 digit number? This is your 5 9 are there, 999 there, 5 9 is there. Only subtract the largest 5 digit number to smallest 5 digit number and add plus 1. Add plus 1. Why you are adding plus 1? Because you are not counting this one. We are not counting the smallest 5 digit number. That's why we are adding plus 1. So trick is, how many 5 digit number is there in all. So largest 5 digit number minus smallest 5 digit number plus 1. Similarly, if I tell how many 4 digit numbers there in all, how many are there? It is in 9 3 zeros are there. How many 8 digit number are there? How many 8 digit number are there in all? So in 9 how many zeros are there? 7 zeros are there. Okay, in 9 7 zeros are there. Okay, very easy, directly you can say. Okay, how many digit? That much less 0, 9 in that much less 0. If 5 digit number, in 9 4 zeros are there. In 4 digit number, in 9 3 zeros are there. In 10 digit number, in 9 9 zeros are there. Okay, so now we'll go to international place value system. In Indian place value system, we have 1 period, 1000 period, lakh period and a crore period. In 1 period there are 2 places are there. Okay, 1 period there are 3 places are there, sub places. In 1 period there are 3 houses, one is 100, 10 and 1. In 1000 period, one is 10,000 is present and another is 1000 is there. See, this is the house. In 1 period 100, 10 and 1, so 3 sub houses are there. Similarly, in 1000 here 2 sub houses are there. In lakh there are 2 sub houses are there. And similarly in crore there are 2 sub houses are there. Sub houses means, so here 100, 10, 1 consists, gives your ones period. Similarly 10,000 and 1000 gives your thousands period. 10 lakh and lakh gives your lakhs period. And 10 crore and crores gives your crore period. So trick is 2, 2, 2 and 3. 2 to 3 means ones period has 3 house, 1000 period has 2 house, and lakhs period has 2 house, crore period has 2 house. So 2, 2, 2, 3. Similarly, in case of international place value system, all have 3. See, in 1 there are 3 houses are there. In 1000 period there are 3 houses are there. In millions period also there are 3 houses are there. And in billion period here also 3 houses are there. It is written 2 houses, it is also 3 houses are there. Okay, my friends. So here billion, 10 billion and here 100 billion. Okay, so here the trick is 3, 3, 3, 3. For billion 3 houses, for million 3 houses, for 1000 3 houses, and for 1 period 3 houses. So what are the, in 1 period what are the 3 houses? 100, 10 and 1s. In 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. In million period, million, 10 million and 100 million. Similarly in billion period, billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. If I write a number 53684, 53684, I can write this one in this house like this. So first start from the unit digit writing. So 4 will be in 1 plus, 8 will be in 10 plus, 6 will be in 100 plus, 3 will be in 1000 plus and 5 is in 10,000 plus. So I can write 53,684. Consider this number 49637582. So similar start from unit plus 2, 8, 5, 7, 3, 6, 9, 4. Okay, so first make this table like this, then put this number. So I can write see, only 49 is present in million, so I can write 49 million. I can write 49 million, my friends. I'm giving another corner. So 49 million. See, in thousand period 637 digit is there, this number is there, so I can write 49 million 637 and 582. Okay, 49 million 637,000 and 582. So this is your about international plus value system, how to write in international plus value system. So these are the questions for you, my friends. So write the numeral, it is written in word, you have to write in number 9018, it is written in word, you have to write in number. Similarly here, write each of the following in words, then you have to convert the numeral form to in word form, then expand it. Number 3 is expansion, number 4 is, it is written in expansion, you have to write the number. It is very easy. One I am doing, see here. So here in 6, how many zeros are? 4 0, so it is in 1000 plus, you write 6. After that 3, after that see the descending order of the zeros. So first 4 0, here 3 0, here 2 0, here 2 0, here 1 0, here no 0. So only write the numbers if all are in descending order. 6 2 5, 6 2 5 8 4, 6 2 5 8 4. Okay, 6 2 5 8 4. The next is your in here in 1 5 zeros are there, then 4 0, then 3 0, then your 2 0, then 1 0, then no 0 is there. So I can write 5 8 1 6 2 3. This is your number. Very easy, my friends. Then find the difference between the place values of the 2 9. So write the place value of the 2 9. One is present at lakh plus, another present at 100 plus, and write down the values. Lakh plus means one is in 10 lakh plus, sorry. So in 1 6 zeros is there, and here this 100 is 1 2 zeros. Only subtract and write the answer. Okay, this is about your 5 number. Then similarly 6 number is there, then 7 or how many 6 digit number there in all. So what is the answer? In 9 5 zeros are there, in 9 5 zeros are there. Similarly how many 7 digits there? 7 digit numbers are there in all. In 9 6 digits are there. How many thousands make a lakh? How many thousands make a lakh? It is very good questions. How many thousands make a lakh? So what is a lakh? A lakh means in one how many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there. See, this is 1 lakh. And what is thousand? Thousand means in a number there is 3 zeros are there. So after 3 0, what is remaining? This is 100. So 1 lakh equal, this is your 1 lakh. This is your 1 lakh. 1 lakh. And this is equal to how much thousand? 100,000. 1 lakh equal to how much thousand? 100,000. Very easy. Similarly, next question is how many thousands make 1 crore? You know 1 crore. In 1 crore, how many zeros are there? 7 zeros are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1000 or after 3 zeros, how many is there? That is the 1000. So how many thousand? In 1 4 zeros are there. So 10,000 thousands are there. How many 10,000? 10,000 thousands are there. Okay, in 1 crore means 10,000 thousands make a crore. Find the difference between 738 and that obtained reversing the digits. So 738 and that obtained on reversing the digits. So what is the 738? 738 minus reversing means 837. Subtract it, but you cannot subtract because 837 is a greater number. So what to do? Simply you got 837. So 837 is the larger digit. So 837 minus 738. Okay, reverse it. 738 reversing 837. 837 is larger than 738. So subtract the greater number from the smaller number from the greater number and smaller number. Okay, subtract greater number and smaller number. Then what comes just after 9547 plus 1? Only add plus 1. Similarly, 13 number, what just come before 9950 are there, only subtract minus 1. Similarly, what comes just before your 1 crore, only just do minus 1. Write all the 3 digit number using 2, 3, 4, taking each digit only once. Very easy. 234, 342. Okay, and your 243 like this. Similarly, write the smallest digit of different digits formed by using 3, 1, 5, 0, 5, 7. Find the write the smallest number. We write the smallest number. So for the smallest number, my friends, the best is 1, 3, 5, 1, 0, 3, 5, 7. 1, 0, 3, 5, 7. Okay. If I put 0 at the first, then it will not form a digit. So for that, this is the smallest digit. Similarly, largest number of different digits. So largest means you have to write in descending order. 9, 6, 4, 3 and 9, 6, 3, 9, 6, 4, 3, 2, 0. This is the okay. Next is your, you rewrite each of the following numbers with proper commas using the international place value chart. Also write the number name of each in international system. So comma I told, here you have to do what to do, my friends. Here 3, 3, put 3, 3 gap and do the comma, give the comma. 8 to 1, after that 1 comma. Okay, my friends, 8 to 1, after that 1 comma. Similarly here 894, after the 1 comma. Okay, here 1 comma. Then similarly 750, here 1 comma. The next is your here 821, 1 comma. 943, 1 comma. Then over. So 3, 3 from the left to right, take 3 digit and give comma. 390, 1 comma, and 205, 1 comma, over, like this. Very easy, my friends. Now write in international place value chart. Write each of the following figures in internal place value chart. Make the place value chart and put the number. First convert it to word form, then put the number inside it. So this is about the lesson 1 of the number system. Thank you.